The following video is intended as a short training clip for medical professionals using the Sentry Sentinel System on the principal trial. Should any further help be required after this video, contact details will be available for the trial team. Upon signing up to the Sentinel Sentry system, you should receive a registration email. This email will contain the URL link to the landing page and a temporary 6-digit PIN code to get you started. Clicking or copying the URL, you should arrive at the initial login page, which can be seen here. In the box asking for you to enter your access code, this is where we will enter our temporary PIN. Once entered, we can click Submit. If the PIN is entered correctly, we will be issued a new access code, which can be seen here, highlighted in red as Assigned Access Code. In this example, it can be seen here circled. This code will be different from the temporary PIN, and it is important to make note of it now. Unlike the temporary PIN, this code will contain a mix of both letters and numbers. Please ensure you now have a note of it, as this will be required for all future logins to the Sentry system. Once we have noted down the code somewhere safe, we can then enter it just as we did the PIN. And again submit. With the access code entered successfully, the next page should look as follows. This is the task select screen. This screen is unique to each user, so may look slightly differently. For the purpose of this video, we'll be focusing on this option, which is screening. When we click through from task select to screening, we'll be presented with this form, the regional NHS screening form. The form can indicate using the key if the question is for the caller, for the NHS, or an open question that will need filled out. Please read through the script as written with the caller and work through the questions in order. Questions can be selected by clicking the buttons as so. When finished with each page, please click Submit. On the caller details page, we have an NHS number, if available, and GP practice. The GP practice is built with a search engine. Should the potential participant name their GP practice, we are able to search in here. In this example, we'll use Oxford. The search will provide us with all Oxford GP sites, as well as any sites in other areas, such as Reading, Oxford Road, or the site has Oxford in the name. When we find the correct site, we can simply click it and it will auto-populate. We'll then be able to click Submit. Some questions will have drop-down menus. Should we select from the drop-down menus outside the appropriate date, we are presented with this error message. This enables us to change the date and resubmit. On the contact details page, we will then have to enter our names and contact details. We'll continue to read through the script with potential participants and then fill out their contact details, if available. Upon completion of this page, we'll come to the end of the call script. Please read out the last part. You can then select whether you want to return to the task menu, seen here, or log out. Thank you very much for listening to our video. If you have any further questions, please contact the principal team at the following details.